Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving another SAT practice question. This question says the area of a square is 64 square inches. What is the side length in inches of this square? So the first thing we need to do is, let me just draw a square here. Alright, so if we draw this square, of course, for a square, all the sides are of equal length. So let's say this is L, this is L, this is L, this is L. So if the area of the square is 64 square inches, so A is got to what? 64. So what is the side length in inches? And of course, you should remember that area of a square is got to what? L square. Some people use S anyway. So which implies that we can say that 64 is got to what? L square. So this can be written that L square is got to what? 64. Then L will now give us what? Square root of 64. There should be plus or minus here. However, the length of a square cannot be negative, which is what? Plus or minus what? 8. So we discard the negative. So L in this case is what? 8. So therefore, the what? The length of a side in this case is 8. So the correct option to this problem is option A. I want to believe this video has helped you. Please kindly share, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.